Hi, good morning. Today I'm from Plants Paradise. Today I will show you some miracle leaf or leaf life plants. This is the plants. They will change the color as well when they will go to the sunlight. They are miracle grow plants or leaf life or pathar chatta in India. They call pathar chatta. In Bangladesh they call pathar kuchi. I am from Bangladesh as well, so we have a lot of this in back home. It's easy to grow. You need to keep them in sunny windowsill. They don't like sunlight. They just need. Yes. They are growing nicely with me, so they have no disease free. You can grow them easily. So just need. They don't like soggy water, soggy road. So a bit dry compost will be fine. And you can keep them in. If you keep them in indoor, you can keep them all over the year. So I have plenty of them. This is just a sample for today. We sold out in our website. My website is www.plantsparadise.co.uk. If you are interested, please let me know. And thanks for watching.